model, 53-plate Nissan Largo body, white, minibus mileage, 75,807 MOT, the 27th of September 2023 engine, 2,380 cc transmission, automatic, mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Right coil springs snapped and will need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, air con, parking sensors, electric windows HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.